here's how I use AI to create my travel TikTok videos in minutes. In today's video, I'm going to show you my time-saving content creation hack for batch creating TikToks. Now, we're going to have AI create our video ideas, write our scripts, and even produce our videos for us. And don't worry, we can edit or we can switch out anything that doesn't exactly fit our brand and our style. Now for this, we're going to hop on over to ChatGPT. Now, normally coming up with TikTok video ideas and writing scripts, it would take me hours upon hours. So today I'm going to cut that time down to just a mere few minutes. I'm going to give ChatGPT a prompt here. So I'm going to write out, can you please give me 10 listicle TikTok scripts around travel? And I'm going to hit send. Now, just to note, if you do want to monetize your TikToks, you need to specify that your script needs to be longer than 60 seconds. Automatically, it's going to come back to us with 10 video ideas and cohesive scripts. Now, that's fantastic, but here's the thing. I'm currently editing my Philippines travel series here, but I'm based in London and I don't exactly have an unlimited budget to travel to every single country and city mentioned in these TikToks, and I certainly don't have the time to remember 10 scripts and film 10 separate videos. So to spare myself bankruptcy and jet lag, I'm going to use AI to now create my TikTok videos for me, which brings me over to VideoGPT by Veed. I can now copy and paste each script into VideoGPT and specify that it's for TikTok so that I get the correct aspect ratio. Now, before I hit send, I can choose to remove any fluff, or I can edit out anything here that I want to change in my script. I can add a call to action, and I might also want to change the hook here just to optimize it for retention. So this means that I can pick a keyword that I want to rank for, and I want to make sure it's said in the first 3 seconds, and then again mentioned 2 to 3 times during the TikTok. This is just going to help your video perform better once it's uploaded. Now, once you're happy with your script and your changes, hit send. VideoGPT is going to come back to you now with some questions just to get a better understanding of what type of video it is exactly that you want to make. So just reply with as much detail as possible and you're going to get the best outcome. VideoGPT will then send you a V2, a version 2 of your script for TikTok, and it's going to ask you if you'd like to use text-to-speech, if you want a male or female voice, or if you prefer, you can choose an avatar. Again, just do what works for you and hit send. Now VideoGPT is going to create your travel TikTok for you. All you have to do is click on the link and that's going to redirect you into Veed's editor and we can watch our AI TikTok back. I'm just going to play a very short section of the video here and we can just see how it turned out.
Planning a Euro trip? Here are 5 cities you can't miss. Paris, France, the City of Light.
Okay, that is looking great. I'm perfectly happy with that, but let's say you did want to make any changes to the edit, you can pretty much do anything. You can change the footage for stock footage, or you can even upload your own. You can change the subtitle style, you can add GIFs, text titles, switch out the music, and much, much more. Now, all that's left to do is export our AI generated TikTok. Click done in the top right hand corner, choose your render settings, and then hit export video. Now, once that's finished rendering here, we can watch it back and see how our TikTok turned out.
Rome, Italy, the Eternal City. Barcelona, Spain, the City of Gaudi. Amsterdam, Netherlands, the Venice of the North. Prague, Czech Republic, the City of 100 Spires. Add these to your travel itinerary.
Then lastly, click download and download MP4. And you can just repeat this process for the remaining 9 scripts and you've batch created TikToks in a fraction of the time that it would normally take you. And that's it. That is how I use AI to create TikToks for me in a matter of minutes. I really hope you found this video helpful, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.